Welcome! In this video we will explain how to hang textile wall covering that has a non-woven backing. Before you start, the wall must be dry, smooth, slightly absorbent and clean. Always check the batch and reference numbers of the wall covering. Carefully open the box. Read the provided hanging instructions. An Arte box is made in such a way that you can use it as a rolling out device. On a clean surface, roll out the wall covering with the design facing up. Check the wall covering for possible mistakes. Measure the height of the wall. Cut the necessary drops to length, allowing 10 centimeters extra. Mark the top of each drop. All drops must hang in the same direction, unless the instructions state otherwise. Using the roll as a measuring tool, you can get a general idea of how the drops will turn out. Then you can measure the wall accurately. Start with the second drop from a corner. Draw a perpendicular line where you'll start. Use Arte Clear Pro or another high-quality textile adhesive. Stir the adhesive well. Pour it into a bucket. Use a brush to apply adhesive to the wall near the ceiling and the baseboard. Apply adhesive to the wall about 10 centimeters wider than the drop width using a microfiber roller. The adhesive must be applied evenly. Take the first drop and be careful that the mark for the top is facing up. Lay it carefully against the perpendicular line in the adhesive with a few centimeters extra at the top and bottom. Avoid getting adhesive smudges on the front. Press the wall covering with a rubber roller. Work from the middle to the sides. Also press the wall covering at the baseboard and the ceiling using a corner roller or a spatula. Cut off the excess using a sharp snap-off knife and a spatula. For each cut, use a new piece of the snap-off knife. Clean the ceiling and the baseboard after each drop. Shield off the wall covering so it remains dry and clean. Apply adhesive to the wall in the corner for the second drop. Lay the second drop carefully in the adhesive and position it against the first one. Press the drop to the wall. Use a seam roller for the seam. Be careful not to press any adhesive out of the seam. Once again, cut off the excess at the top and bottom. Press the wall covering firmly in the corner as well. Cut off the excess piece. Always place the knife against the spatula on the side of the excess. Install the third drop in the same way and check the results. Finish the wall. Draw another perpendicular line on the other side of the corner. Apply adhesive to the wall. Be careful that no adhesive gets on the previous drops. Place the drop against the perpendicular line in the adhesive. Once again, cut the excess off at the top, bottom and in the corner. Finish the entire room in this way. Thanks for watching and good luck!